Kung ganito ang nangyayari sa skin mo, hindi para sa iyo ang product. Hello there, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a naturopath cosmetic chemist. Hindi lahat ng hindi nag-work na skincare, bad product. Minsan, hindi lang siya compatible sa skin mo. So, paano mo malalaman? First, hindi nagmamatch sa tolerance ng skin mo. If tuloy-tuloy ang irritation like stinging, redness, or discomfort, it means the formulation is too strong or not suited for your skin condition. Second, hindi tugma sa need ng skin mo. Ginagamit mo naman consistently pero walang improvement. That means hindi niya tina-target yung actual concern ng skin mo. Third, hindi balance for long-term use. If over time, mas nagiging dry, sensitive, or breakout prone ang skin mo, the formulation is not supporting your skin properly. So before mo sabihin hindi effective ang product, ask yourself, compatible ba siya sa skin ko? Because the right product is not just effective. It should work with your skin, not against it. If you want to learn more about this and how to choose the right moisturizing products, join my free webinar, Type Skin Repair, and I'll send you the details.